Rania Rao gold smuggling case investigation is continuing, and the investigation is pointing towards some multiple key findings. I'll just go ahead and read out for our viewers. Breaking news coming in Rania Rao case, investigation report order to probe the alleged breach of protocol has been submitted by Additional Chief Secretary to the government. Some key findings show that investigation confirms misuse of official protocol. It was under Ramachandra Rao's instruction that protocol privileges were extended to Rania. As a family member of a government official, Rania was given access to all the facilities by Ramachandra Rao. Back-to-back is coming in here on Republic TV viewers. And the final report probe has been submitted to the government. This is a very, very much awaited final report on the Rania Rao gold smuggling case. And I was reading out for you some of the details that we have for our viewers. Investigation report ordered to probe the alleged breach of protocol has been submitted by Additional Chief Secretary to the government. Some key findings are having access by Republic. All right. Okay, very important key finding is that it was under Ramachandra Rao's instructions that Rania Rao was given those privileges. I want to go straight across to Abhishek, who's joining us live. Abhishek, Rania was given access to all the facilities by her stepfather, Ramachandra Rao. That's what it's saying. Yes, Abhishek.
Well, Shivangi, the state government of Karnataka had previously ordered to find the mishappenings at the protocol breach with respect to Rania Rao entering into the Kempegowda International Airport Limited. And since the day she was taken into the custody, it was very well known that the fact someone who's influential might have had a word with the protocol officers. And yes, the senior IAS officer of Karnataka government and also ACS Gaurav Gupta had interrogated and intervened with respect to Ramachandra Rao, the stepfather of Rania Rao's involvement in this case. And it is very clear at this point of time that Ramachandra Rao used his influence and power to have a word with the protocol officers at the Kempegowda International Airport Limited. And after the mere reaction or order from Ramachandra Rao, it is alleged that the protocol officer Basavraj let Rania Rao get out of the Kempegowda International Airport Limited with no checks as of now. So the report has been submitted to the government through Chief Secretary, and we'll have to see what CM Siddaramaiah, Home Minister Parameshwara will have to talk about this, because the government which wanted to know the protocol breach has already gotten the report. And will there be any action taken against Ramachandra Rao is the point of question now. And also one thing is clear is that Ramachandra Rao directly or indirectly has been involved in this gold nexus, and is he also connected with the international connections is the next point of question which the DRI and CBI official will have to probe into. So the latest update as of now is the Gaurav Gupta's team has already given the document and the report to the government. And what will the government do with respect to this report against Ramachandra Rao is the question, Shivangi.
Yes, and I have one small question for you before I let you go, because I have to say this. Because when the story first made the headlines, the story first broke, Ramachandra Rao, stepfather of Rania Rao, has said that I am not even in contact with her that much once she got married. She was living her own life. So this is the statement that he had made after the story broke, Abhishek. And now the key findings are giving a different picture.
Well, Shivangi, Ramachandra Rao, even when speaking to the interrogation team, has clearly claimed that he hasn't spoken to any protocol officers. But based on the call detailed records and the conversation which happened between the protocol team and Ramachandra Rao, it is very clear that the team has found out that based on the instructions of Ramachandra Rao is when the protocol officers let Rania Rao slip away from the airport limited. So it is very clear, even though if they claim that they went in touch with each other, but it is because of and based on Ramachandra Rao's direction and orders that Basavraj, the protocol officer, has let Rania Rao get out of the airport. So probably Ramachandra Rao might not accept the truth, but the investigation team has found out that he is clearly involved in Rania Rao's protocol breach. But is Ramachandra Rao involved in the gold nexus as well is the point of question which DRI and CBI will have to probe into. As far as now, Ramachandra Rao has supported Rania Rao breach the protocol of the airport limited is what the report claims. Shivangi.
All right. Thank you for getting us all those details. I will